Our playroom has gotten totally out of control, so we need to do a big, giant declutter. Are you ready? In this episode of Organize With Me, we are going to be reorganizing the playroom. Hey there, I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama. I'm family organizing expert that helps you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials the entire family can do. As you can see, our playroom is not like out of control until you kind of look at all of that. So this room was used as our homeschool room when we were doing virtual learning, and now it's time to get everything back in order. The very first thing we're going to do is take out everything that does not belong in this space. Once you remove everything that does not belong in the playroom, now it's time just to kind of like tidy up all of the bins, baskets, Legos, art cart, etc. Sometimes for us, we have papers that accidentally make it into the fresh paper bin. So I just do a quick scan to see if we have any papers that should be removed. Why lose a piece of artwork when you can just do a quick scan to see what is in there? And then you can take those and put them where they belong. Okay, in this bin we have card games. All of the card games are in photo organizers so I don't lose anything. This bin is for books on TV, and we are still using that. More games. Okay, doll stuff. We have a lot of doll stuff here and up in my daughter's room, and sometimes they end up all mishy-mashy. So the stuff that's down here is just Barbies, and the stuff up in her bedroom is American Girl dolls. So I'm going to sort through these right now. Now I'm only putting back in the bin the stuff that belongs to Barbies. So that's like the chair and the fridge. Those things belong to Barbie, along with Barbie and her accessories. Table, mirror, Barbie. Okay, now we just have Legos to sort, and then our playroom is totally organized. The kids requested to color code all of their Legos. So what we do is about once a month go through our bin that's called to sort. We have this bin because it makes it really easy when we clean up. We can just swipe up all the extra Legos into the to sort and then deal with them later. So I'm going to show you how we sort the Legos. We start with our to sort bin, and honestly, we just start sorting. Now some things we just kind of will pull off, not everything. I mean, that's not coming off, so I'm just gonna leave it. And since this has wheels, I'm gonna put this with wheels. If the wheels pop off, then they'll go in their own bin. Like these wheels will go like that, and that's how we do it. All right, so something like this that has like many colors, and I don't want to sit and take the entire thing apart, we just put it in the bin with where that, like the primary color is that one color. So for this, there's a lot of white and a lot of black. So it's kind of like your call. Where would you like to see it, white or black? Kids will pick wherever they feel it best goes. So I ended up swapping out some of the bins for larger bins based on the fact that we ended up having more Legos than what we thought. So we rearranged some of the colors, so now yellow and orange are in the same bin, just like red, purple, and pink are all in the same bin. Then I moved wheels to a bigger bin. I moved the manuals to one of the baskets underneath. And now our entire playroom is totally organized. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.